Right guys, question for you. Has any of you able to get the RS485B and A on column 10 and column 11 or any of that to work, which is inside the interface? They are under peripherals and open protocol. Has any of you able to get that to work? Because I've been trying it for days now and I can't get that to work on an open protocol. The reason being, I think there's a problem with the Lua script that's designed to talk, the template that's designed to talk with the RS485. So let me just show you a couple of things. This gripper here, I've got several of these. They all work fine on open close, on I/O ports, which is a simple digital output connection. That works fine. But when it's on RS485, this works perfectly with the manufacturer's own diagnostic software. It works brilliant. I'll show you that in a second. Soon as it's connected to the back of the control box, and it's connected to control box ports 10, and 11B and A, so white cable here, black cable there, it does not do anything at all. It doesn't do anything at all. So right now this is connected and under open protocol. Let me clear this one out. I'll show you a problem here as well. Okay, so everything's out. Now when you go into open protocol, let's say we'll turn that off for now. Nothing there. As soon as I turn it on, even without any gripper profile added onto it, it comes up with an error. Warning, Lua file is abnormal. So this is very unusual, especially when there's nothing on it. Even if I take this out, and it's the same problem. If I take this, let's say, it's completely out from the robot, and when I go in here, you got the Lua file abnormal. It's very unusual. And if I connect it back and try to add it on, and the same issue again, I can't connect into it. Let me just get this connected in. Okay, so that's connected, lights flashing, that means it's getting power, but no connectivity to the control box. So the ID of this device is ID number 7. And if I just turn these things on, position, speed, torque, gripper, trigger, and then also read status, read initialization, read alarm, read position, read speed, read torque, and then I do configure and activate. Right, it's there, but nothing happens. And also in the applications, I go into the tool app and I look at the custom protocol, not custom, I think it's a peripheral protocol. At the moment the robot is set as a modbus master, so these are slaves, so they should work and start to communicate, but nothing works. If I go into programs, I try to go into code and I try to add several commands in there, but none of that works. I had only closest I've got is under peripherals. If I go into end tool and adapter devices, and then in here if I select jodell, right, because that's the manufacturer, they don't even have EPG, but RG and ERG, they're pretty similar. End port active device, this is number 7, right? And now if I disconnect this and connect it to here, I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to be connecting into this port here, which is the, I don't know if you can see, RS485, using this connector. Okay, got 5 pins on one side, and then the, I think it's M12 or M8, so that will go here, this will go in there. Okay, so now that's connected there, it's powered up. Now if I go here, and if I go and let me turn off the open protocol, let's just turn that off so that the Lua error message will disappear. So that's gone now. And if I go back into adapter devices, so these are like preloaded drivers for several manufacturers, selected the device ID and then I click activate, configure, right, do configure. Okay, now we got there, activate. Now in here you would see for a second it will go like, it will try to talk to the gripper timeout, you see. Okay, so same again, it does not seem to do any communication whatsoever with that. Now if I go into open protocol just to check, the configuration here. I've got correct baud rate 115/200, that's what it's set to. 8, 1, all of these things are set, and even with this turned on and 7 number on active, nothing seemed to work. It just keep timing out. If it's on adapted devices on open protocol, as soon as I turn it on, it just get a file error from Lua. So yeah, not sure what's going on, but I'll quickly show you this working with the manufacturer software. Okay, this is now connected through to Jodell. This is their own sort of a modbus diagnostic tool. You can send some commands and then get it to respond to it. So I've got this USB to RS485 converter. If I click on, at the moment the light's flashing, so if I click on open serial, you can see the light will stay solid. Okay, and if I disable that, that stops. Enable. Yeah, so you can see this is running perfectly. The address is 7, and modify. Yeah, all seem to be working good. So I've no idea why any of these, none of that I can get to work with RS485 with these robots. So let me know if there's anything that you can, if you had an experience in this or had the same problems, if you managed to get it fixed. I'll be interested to find out. All right, thanks.